Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an important topic to cover that many of you might have encountered at some point. Today, we're going to discuss how to safely remove a broken bulb from its socket. This is a common issue that can be quite frustrating if you don't know the right steps. A broken light bulb can be a real pain and a safety hazard. The jagged edges can easily cut you, and the remnants can be difficult to grip. It's important to handle this situation with care to avoid any injuries. But don't worry, with the right approach and a bit of patience, you can handle this common household issue without any trouble. We'll guide you through each step to ensure you can do it safely and efficiently. Safety comes first. Gather your safety gear, sturdy gloves, and safety goggles. These will protect your hands and eyes from any sharp glass pieces. Make sure the power is off to avoid electric shock. Turn off the light switch and unplug the fixture. Double check to ensure there's no electricity running to the socket. Use needle nose pliers to grip the metal base and twist counterclockwise. This method provides a firm grip and helps you remove the base without much hassle. Or use a potato. Press the cut side into the broken bulb base and twist it out. This unconventional method can be surprisingly effective and safe. Dispose of the broken bulb safely in a sturdy plastic bag. Make sure to seal the bag properly to prevent any glass shards from escaping. Install a new bulb, turn the power back on, and test it. Ensure the new bulb is securely in place and functioning correctly. And there you have it, a simple, safe, and effective way to deal with a broken light bulb. Happy fixing. Remember, taking your time and following these steps can make the process much smoother. Remember to clean up any remaining glass shards to keep your space safe. Use a broom and dustpan to ensure all tiny pieces are collected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips. Stay safe, and see you in the next video. Before you begin any project, it's crucial to gather all the necessary tools and equipment. This initial step sets the foundation for a smooth and efficient process, ensuring that you won't have to stop midway to search for something you need. Having everything you need within arm's reach not only makes the task easier, but also significantly enhances your safety. Here's a detailed list of what you'll need to get started so you can work confidently and efficiently. First and foremost, heavy-duty gloves. These are essential for protecting your hands from sharp glass and other potential hazards. They provide a strong barrier against cuts and abrasions, making them indispensable for any project involving broken glass. Next, safety glasses. Your eyes are incredibly vulnerable to flying debris, especially when dealing with broken glass. Wearing safety glasses ensures that your vision remains protected, allowing you to focus on the task without worrying about potential eye injuries. Needle nose pliers are another must-have. These will be your go-to tool for gripping and twisting the bulb. Their precise design allows you to handle small, delicate parts with ease, making the removal process much smoother. Believe it or not, a small potato can be incredibly useful. Simply press the cut side of the potato into the broken bulb's base and twist. This unconventional method provides a firm grip, helping you safely remove the broken bulb without risking further breakage. A small bag or container is also essential. Use this to safely dispose of the broken bulb and any other debris. Proper disposal prevents accidents and keeps your workspace clean and organized. Once you have all your tools assembled and ready, you're well prepared to tackle the task at hand. Preparation is key to both efficiency and safety. By taking the time to gather and organize your tools, you set yourself up for success, ensuring a smooth and hazard-free project. Before you even think about touching that broken bulb, turn off the power to the light fixture. This is crucial for your safety. Put on your heavy-duty gloves and safety glasses. Now, we can proceed with the removal process. With your gloves and safety glasses on and the power switched off, you're ready to tackle that broken bulb. The pliers technique is the most common method for removing a broken bulb. First, carefully inspect the bulb socket. Now, carefully insert the tips of your needle nose pliers into the broken bulb's base. Get a good grip inside the bulb's metal base. Section 5. The humble potato, your unexpected ally. If the pliers method doesn't work, don't worry. A simple potato can be your secret weapon. Cut a potato in half, making sure the cut end is flat. Press the cut end into the broken bulb's base and twist counterclockwise. The potato should wedge into the broken bulb, allowing you to unscrew it. This method may seem unusual, but it's surprisingly effective. Section 6. Extracting stubborn fragments. Patience is key. Small fragments of glass can remain in the socket. Use pliers to carefully remove any pieces. Never use your bare hands. Section 7. Disposal dilemmas. Saying goodbye to broken glass. You've successfully removed the broken bulb. Wrap the broken bulb in newspaper or place it inside a cardboard box. Label the package broken glass. Dispose of the package in your regular trash. Section 8. Additional tips and tricks. Lighting your way. In this section, we will explore essential tips to ensure your home is well lit, safe, and energy efficient. Proper lighting is not just about aesthetics. It plays a crucial role in the functionality and safety of your living space. If you're uncomfortable with a broken bulb or any electrical issue, call a qualified electrician. They have the expertise and tools to handle electrical issues safely and efficiently. It's always better to be safe than sorry when dealing with electrical components, as improper handling can lead to serious hazards. Always use the correct wattage for your light fixture. Using the wrong wattage can damage your fixture and pose a fire hazard. Check the manufacturer's recommendations and ensure you're using the appropriate bulb for each fixture. This simple step can prevent potential accidents and prolong the life of your lighting fixtures. Consider using LED bulbs. They consume less energy, produce less heat, and have a longer lifespan than incandescent bulbs. LED bulbs are also available in various color temperatures, allowing you to customize the ambiance of your space. By switching to LEDs, you can significantly reduce your energy bills and contribute to a more sustainable environment. Proper lighting enhances your living space's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Assess your current setup and make adjustments for a comfortable and secure environment. Good lighting can improve your mood, increase productivity, and create a welcoming atmosphere for family and guests. It's worth investing time and effort into optimizing your home's lighting. Don't forget about dimmer switches and outdoor lighting. Dimmer switches allow you to control the brightness of your lights, creating the perfect setting for any occasion. Outdoor lighting improves security and adds curb appeal to your home. Well-placed outdoor lights can deter intruders and make your property safer at night. Ensure that task areas, such as reading nooks and workspaces, are well lit to reduce eye strain and improve focus. Ambient lighting in living areas creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, making your home a more enjoyable place to be. Thoughtful lighting design can transform your home into a haven of comfort and efficiency. Section 9. When to call a professional. Knowing your limits. While removing a broken light bulb is often a task you can handle yourself, there are times when it's best to call in a professional electrician. If you encounter any of the following situations, it's time to step aside and let the experts take over. Section 10. Conclusion. Brightening your world safely. Dealing with a broken light bulb can be unnerving, but with the right knowledge, it's manageable. Prioritize safety, from turning off the power to wearing protective gear. Proceed with care and patience. Now go forth and conquer those broken bulbs with confidence. Did you find these tips helpful? Then please, like, subscribe, and shine on. Subscribe to our channel for more practical advice and DIY solutions.